Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up ACRORIP using an easy method. First, ensure you have the correct ACRORIP version for your specific printer. Before starting, temporarily disable your antivirus software to avoid any installation issues. Next, extract all the downloaded files into a new folder on your desktop. Finally, right-click the setup file and choose Run as Administrator to begin the installation smoothly. After installing ACRORIP, the next crucial step is configuring your printer. Make sure your printer's drivers are properly installed, either from the ACRORIP package or your manufacturer's website. Launch ACRORIP and head over to the Printer Settings section. From the available options, select your exact printer model. Then, choose the correct port, typically a USB port, to establish a reliable connection. Now let's fine-tune your ink channels and color settings for vibrant prints. Go to the channel settings within ACRORIP. Here, you'll map each ink channel, such as cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and white, to its correct color. Adjust the ink density for each. A good starting point is around 80%. Finally, run a nozzle check and head cleaning to ensure all your ink channels are flowing perfectly for the best print quality. For your final setup steps, we'll define the print area and run a test print. In ACRORIP, specify the exact width and height for your printing canvas. Load a test sheet into your printer, making sure it's perfectly aligned. Now, print a small test image to confirm that all your settings are accurate. Based on this test print, you can make any minor adjustments to ink density or alignment for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.